What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to change an air filter in a 5th gen Toyota 4Runner, and this will work for any 4Runner from years 2010 to 2020. The filter I'm going to be using is a Denso, and it's part number 1433025, and I'll leave a link down below in the description if you want to pick this one up. You'll first have to locate the airbox, which is located on the left-hand side of the engine as we look at it here. And there are 4 clips holding the housing together, so you're going to need to pop these clips off. There's 1, 2, and then 2 on the back side. The 4th one is a little hard to find, but it's right in here. You can then pull the top half of the airbox up to remove the filter. And in my case, the filter doesn't look too bad, but it's been close to a year, so it's time to replace it. And before you put the new filter in, just double check that, make sure it's the same filter. In this case, it looks a little different, but this new style of filter has a filter media on the front, and I double checked on the website to make sure this is correct before I installed it. When you put the new filter into the housing, you want to make sure you do it nice and carefully. You don't want to rip the filter. You want to make sure it sits down nice and flush so that it seals correctly. Then take the top half of the filter housing and make sure it's on there nice and square and seals nice and tight. Then put the 4 clips back on, 1 on each corner. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and please consider giving this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And don't forget, I have a link for the filter in the description below. And as always, we'll see you in the next one.